Dan Spencer yn troi fewn I drwbl. McAllister, Fletcher, Flint, o nôl I Fletcher. Wel, mae'n cyrlamu drwy'r canol, ydi o, Mergydio mae'n gwneud hynny! Nodfeddi'r uchel. Chris Hughes ar ei gwrcwd yn gwylio andros o ergyd gan Fletcher. Kelly I McAllister, lawr y chwith I Kenton. Yn arafu'r chwarae. Flint! O'r arbediad gan Lang yn y gôl, ond oedd I fawr o ergyd gan Flint I fod yn onas. Chafodd o'n gafel arni, ond yn gorfodi Lang I wneud yr arbediad pryn bynnag. Lang. Dyna ddim y gic oran y byd. Kelly. Fletcher. Ond llithro'r bêl tuag at Kenton. O, gwych gan Joe Kenton. A rhoi'r Drenewydd ar y blaen. Ac y rhoi nhw'n heiddiannol ar y blaen. Ac a di record Met Caerdydd o beidio colli oddi cartra'r tymor yma yn y fantol. Rushton. O Blair gan Rushton, Joel Edwards, I Miles Davies, mae'r amser yn bryn hir a gobeithio fydd I felly Mills Evans yn rhyw hanner clirio McCarthy. O Mills Evans unwaith eto methu a chlirio Will Evans I Elliot Evans o'r taro, troed y postyn. Pa mor agos oedd y myfyrwyr I unioni'r sgôr, ond rhyw noson felly mae di bod yma iddyn nhw heno.
Really pleasing. We needed it because we needed a response. It's been the message all week, we need a response because we were probably as bad as we've been in my time at the club last week against Airbus. But, you know, we got a real good reaction out of the players in that full second half in particular. We really controlled the game and just searching for that little bit of quality, that pass, that finish, and we got it with a goal. It's a great goal, great ball by Alex Fletcher and a great finish by Joe. And I thought we threatened in those areas all night and it's been a really good night for us for various factors.
As I said, it's 11 games in. We got to Europe from 7th last year. I mean, to do it on the last day of the season, so there's many points ahead. There's lots of stumbles in the road, and we'll be there. We'll be strong. We always will be. We always have been. And we just look forward to the next game. Can't wait for Penabont now next week, and we'll have a little break and then over the next couple of days and start again. But it's just a blip. We've all been here before. I've been in the top 6 and lost 10 games on the bounce. So it's not as bad as that. So we've just had a really tough October. We've been caught out and in a harsh manner, and that's what football does to you. And we accept that, but we're mature enough to move on and be good for what lies ahead.